Welcome to this complete guide on how to book a yacht in the stunning British Virgin Islands. If you're dreaming of a memorable yacht experience, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'll take you through the entire process step by step, showing you exactly how to navigate an online yacht booking site. Let's start with why the British Virgin Islands are a prime yacht rental destination. Known for crystal clear waters, secluded beaches, and perfect sailing conditions, the BVI is one of the top spots in the Caribbean for yachting adventures. Renting a yacht here gives you the freedom to explore beautiful islands at your own pace, without being tied to crowded tours or set schedules. Now, let's dive into the booking process. On the site, you'll start by selecting your preferred destination, in this case, the British Virgin Islands. You'll then see options to choose dates, the type of yacht you want, and even specific locations or island stops. Each of these options helps narrow down the yacht best suited to your needs, whether you're after a luxury yacht, a catamaran, or a sailboat. When it comes to costs, the website provides transparent pricing based on your selections, allowing you to budget accurately. The prices vary depending on the season, type of yacht, and duration of your rental. In addition, you'll be able to add services like a captain or crew if you prefer a fully managed experience. Be sure to check for any discounts that may apply during your selected dates to get the best deal. One of the main advantages of booking online is the ease of comparing different yachts and their amenities all in one place. You can look through detailed descriptions, view high-quality photos, and see reviews from other customers who have rented the same yachts. This helps in choosing a yacht that matches both your comfort needs and budget. Here's a quick note. If you're ready to book, check out the link in the video description for direct access to some of the best yacht options available. Following that link will make it easier to secure a yacht for your BVI adventure. Once you've chosen your yacht and set the details, you'll move to the checkout. This site ensures a secure payment process and usually offers various payment methods. It's a straightforward process, and once you've completed it, your yacht booking is confirmed. You'll receive all the necessary information for your trip, from docking points to emergency contacts, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. There are a few potential downsides. Sometimes, popular yachts book up quickly during peak seasons, so it's wise to reserve well in advance. Also, while the site offers many options, adding extra services like onboard catering can increase costs. However, the benefit is a fully customizable and unforgettable vacation experience tailored exactly to what you want. So, if you're ready to experience the British Virgin Islands on your terms, go ahead and check the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a travel tip.